Your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff, certified most accurate by WeatherRate.
Well, let's look at a time lapse here from our WeatherBug network camera. This is looking from Pea Ridge to the west where they are redoing the field, and you'll see the clouds clearing out, and that's going to lead to a chilly night as those skies clear. Look at the satellite and radar. High pressure in control. We had the northerly winds. We had the front that moved through, the weather system that zipped through, and yeah, with that clearing sky, get ready for a very cold night as those temperatures fall into the 20s. In fact, we're only 10 degrees away from freezing, and sunset was just about 1 hour ago. 48 in Fort Smith, 57 in Little Rock. Not quite as cold. That's because the front took a little longer to move through there. Thankfully, the winds are dying down some, but not everywhere. Look at Harrison with a 12-mile-an-hour wind. That's leading to a wind chill or a feels-like temperature of 37. You got temperatures in the lower to middle 40s in Fort Smith. Well, the lighting for Fayetteville was on Friday. Bentonville was Saturday, and here's a look at the Bentonville Square. Isn't that beautiful? Man, it really is a holiday season. It's feeling like it, too. Lower 40s, winds out of the northwest at about 3 miles an hour. Now, on the two-day forecast timeline, we'll be dropping down into the mid-20s for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we climb into the 50s, but it will be a noticeably warmer day because sunshine will be out all day, and we'll also have lighter winds. Then the temperatures in the River Valley will be climbing into the 60s and close to even 70 on Wednesday for the day before Thanksgiving. So you might be wondering, well, what about that travel? Zach, go ahead and turn up the audio. This graphic is just way better with actual weather graphics audio. So here we go, taking off from XNA, and you'll see that if you're planning to travel across the region, not a whole lot of problems. That's a computer model forecast as we go into our Tuesday. But by Tuesday afternoon, you can see those temperatures in the mid-60s in Los Angeles. Dallas at 78. Houston going to be at about 84 degrees. The problems are going to be in Colorado as well as the northeastern U.S. Now, here's the reason. Large storm system number 1 moving out. That's not going to be a factor. In fact, anybody flying to Chicago, no problems there. That system's gone. But remember this one, this is the bomb cyclone that stayed just off the coast of the Pacific Northwest. Oddly enough, this system has been slow moving, but now it is about to zip across the United States because you're going to see this storm system organized, bringing some snow into Colorado. There's the system already racing through Wednesday evening, and then by Wednesday night, it's gone. So, I mean, Thursday, Friday looking great for us. Bad news for the Northeast and the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. We showed that at 5, that the rain and the, let's just say, wind will be picking up. Now, Saturday, check this out. Possibly some snow in Columbia, Missouri for that Razorback game. So snow could be a factor in terms for that game, and the weather could also be a factor. But around here, this system might be a little bit north of us. Look at Saturday showing temperatures in the lower 50s with not a whole lot happening. But that's just one model. Another model shows a little bit more moving through. It's not a lot, but it is a little bit more. And so we're going to continue to refine that forecast as we get closer and we have more confidence. We'll let you know about that. Right now, the confidence is low in terms of impacts, but confidence is getting up there in terms of precipitation, at least a slight chance of it. Lower to middle 20s tonight. Tomorrow we're in mid to upper 50s to lower 60s. So yeah, on Saturday we got a 20% on there because it's 5 days out and a lot can change. As we roll into Wednesday night and Thanksgiving, that front will be coming in. Some cold turkey on Thursday. I mean, hopefully you'll warm it up, or maybe you like cold turkey. I love the cold turkey sandwiches for leftovers. Those are the best. But Saturday, Sunday in lower 50s and then mid 40s. And it looks like December will be starting off a little colder than we should be in the upper 40s. But actually looking pretty quiet in terms of like big storm systems for us because we just don't have that type of pattern.